it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. As I've been in the middle of repotting, I haven't really had any new additions in a bit, but I'm going to make an exception today and show you a couple of new orchids that I got. I didn't order from Sunset Valley Orchids when they had their new Cattleya release, but my mom did, and she picked one that I really liked up for me and gave me a couple more. So I'm going to show you one that she divided for me and a couple of new ones that she got. So I'm going to show you the blooms and everything, and I'm going to let these guys settle in their pots for now. The ones from Sunset Valley Orchids just arrived today, and then these other two, I just want them to get used to my environment before I repot them and get a couple of more roots growing. So let me show you what I've got, and I will show you the blooms as well. So up first we have a very beautiful cross. This one is the Cattleya Shin Shiang Diamond cross with Brassavola Nodosa. So let me show you the tag right here. So this came from High Desert Orchids. It's got a really nice growth. Looks like it's blooming size. It's already bloomed before, and this is a really good size. This is in a 4-inch square pot. I'll probably get into one of my larger pots for self-watering once it's a little bit warmer and used to my environment. I don't like to repot things right away, just because I do want them to get used to my environment, especially if they came from a nursery recently. But this is beautiful. The growths, you could see they get larger over time, which is what you want to see. And two of the growths are pushing roots, so I might not wait too long actually, since it's looking pretty good, very healthy. But I do like Brassavola Nodosa crosses. Those tend to be very fragrant at night. And I will put up a picture of that Shin Shiang diamond so you guys can check it out. So I'm very curious to see how this looks. And I have no doubt that it will have flowers very soon. Up next, we have a division of my mom's orchid. This one is the Cattleya Love Knot Carmela's Blue. So this is also from High Desert Orchids. My mom had a really nice sized orchid and she gave me a nice piece. We've got multiple bulbs here. They're fat and chubby. They're adorable. You could definitely see the Leca influence in it with the fat little bulbs. It's nice and compact. And the leaves are also like succulent and thick. I could bite them. This is a cute one. It's a Coerulea type Cattleya, and it's a very, very pretty one. This one has been on my wish list, so when my mom divided it up, I was excited to receive it. Now she potted this up for me in bark and perlite, so I'm going to leave it there for a bit, let it get used to my conditions, and then once it's pushing out a brand new growth, I'm gonna put it into semi-hydro. So this is a nice new compact addition. So I can't wait to get it to bloom and to see it grow. Now I won't be using the self-watering on this one just because it's winter and I don't want any of that to rot in there. Sometimes I do use self-watering pots for organic media, but that's in the summer when I really can't keep up with the watering, and then I just put a little bit of water so it can absorb it and I don't have to water so fast. But I only do that when things dry really, really, really quickly. I don't like to do it when it's too cool or we run into mold issues. But otherwise, in the summer, this can be a lifesaver. For organic in the winter, I'm just very careful with it. But I am so excited to get this. I might just reuse the pot when I pot it up and put it in Leca, and then I could fill this up with water all the time. But I cannot wait to grow this. Alrighty, this is the only orchid I wanted from SVO. Well, I wanted 10, let's be real, but I'm starting to take it easy with buying more new orchids. And this is a really cool one. If I could find the pictures, I will show you. But this is the Cattleya Mareeba Tiger. This is Cattleya Leopoldii, a Coerulea version, crossed with the Cattleya Schilleriana, also a Coerulea version. They've got the non-Coerulea version listed as well. It's a really, really pretty one, and I had to scoop it up. I really like anything with spots and anything blue and green. I just find adorable. I just took the wrapping paper off and I see that there's a new growth coming in, which is fantastic. So that means I can repot this very soon. It's in a chunky mix. I find that a lot of these come in seedling mix, but I guess this one in organic wants to drain a lot more. So they gave me thicker bark chips. You'll notice when you get these seedlings, they do put them in like a seedling type mix. This is SVO 7950. I don't know if they'll still have it, but just wanted to share. But this is a cool one. It's small, so it'll take some time to bloom, but patience always pays off and leads to very, very nice surprises in your grow space. I'm so excited for this new growth here. It'll probably be bigger than these last two. And then once I start seeing more roots push out, I'll repot it, but let it get used to my climate. So excited for this one. I had to have it when I saw it, and I just want to thank my mom for picking this up for me. That was really nice of her. I wasn't going to order, but when she placed the order, she got it for me, so thank you. My mom sent me an extra one from SVO, which is really nice. This one is the Patinera Martha Clarke, which is the Sophrolaleocattleya Circle of Life Trailblazer crossed with the Brassolaaleocattleya Love Sound Dogashima. So I'm familiar with both of the parents. So I have a cross with that Love Sound Dogashima. I hope I'm saying that right. With a Epicattleya cross, actually. It's a very beautiful dainty yellow, and it's got a really nice kind of like slight frill on the lip. It's yellow, it's beautiful, it has a beautiful shape. And then the circle of life, I've had that orchid in the past. It's got a really, really pretty shape, so this is going to be sort of a cross between yellow and pink, if I'm not mistaken. The Circle of Life I had was from Carmela Orchids, and that one was pink, but I'll put up a picture of the Trailblazer, so I'm curious to see what this comes out with. All I know is that both of them have a really nice shape to the flower, and it's going to have lots of substance. It's not a waxy type flower. From what I remember, it's going to be one of those that holds up really well. It's not going to be frilly. It's not going to be waxy from what I understand, but it's just going to hold really well. So I really look forward to seeing how this grows. And I'm so excited for all of these, especially this one. Oh my goodness. So the Cattleya Mareeba Tiger. I'm going to go ahead and water these, as well as the Love Knot and the Brassavola Cross. I'm very excited to grow these. And I'd imagine that maybe this one is about a year or two from blooming, and same with this one. Sometimes they bloom sooner, but this one is going to definitely take its time. This one might be sooner. This one's bigger, but it depends on the parents as well. I will keep you guys posted on how they bloom. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more orchid content. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.